Your PC is lagging because of particular settings no one is talking about. This is simple, but a lot of Windows users ignore it, and that is why you need to watch this video to the end. Under 1 minute guys, you are good to go. Go to the search bar here, type in control panel. Click on the control panel button to open the control panel. Then go to system and security, click on it. Now go to power option, click on it. Once you click on power option, then under balance, click on change power setting here. Once you click on that, then come to this button that says change advanced power setting, click on it. Now once you click on that, then come to this place. Now scroll until you have access to what is called processor power management. Click on this button to expand it. So under minimum processor and maximum processor, click on the minimum one to edit it. Make sure that on battery is 100%, on plug is also on 100%. Then on the maximum, make sure that it's on 100% on battery, 100% on plug. Then click on apply, click on OK. Once you set this button, it means that your system will use its processor to the fullest, thereby preventing your computer from lagging. And this works for Windows 10, Windows 11, if possible Windows 7 and Windows 8. That's all guys. Don't forget to like, share. See you soon guys on our next video.